Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so the screen can stay on reliably. Open Settings, go to Display, and set sleep to the longest value, 30 minutes or never if your Realme build allows it. This is the single immediate change. Once done, turn off battery saver and adaptive brightness so the system won't override your timeout. Make sure the phone stays charged while you test, because thermal and power safeguards will reduce screen-on time if the battery drops critically. Next, you move into developer and app-level controls to make the change persistent. Enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then enable stay awake while charging. This keeps the screen on when plugged in. Once done, open background management and exclude any apps that may force screen-off behavior. If an app still times out, use per app display timeout in settings or apply an ADB command to adjust window manager timeouts. Finally, validate and troubleshoot. First, confirm sleep and stay awake settings show your new values, then run a real test with continuous video playback or a stopwatch app for 30 to 60 minutes. If the screen still turns off, inspect thermal protection, battery health, and any third-party cleaner or optimizer that auto-closes processes. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode to rule out apps and only then consider a factory reset. Remember, persistent off behavior usually points to power or thermal safeguards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.